classes in session. So yeah, I said I'm doing my Thursday class, and what I need to do before we go into actual drawing lesson is you need to learn the techniques in drawing. So if I say let's do a crosshatch, or you want to do just regular lines, or we'll even do pointillism, which is a dot pattern, and stipples, which is a dot with a little bit of a line to it. That's another lesson. So today's lesson, we're going to have this sheet, and I'll give you a link to where you can download it. And so this is a left diagonal line pattern, horizontal, which is flat, like if you're laying in bed, vertical, standing up, and right diagonal, going right. So what you're going to do is you're going to take box 1 and put a line of those in this box, and same thing 2, 3, 4. This is redundant, but you need redundant. You need practice. Practice is really important, because then when you go to do your line work, you'll feel really confident, and then you don't have to stop during the lesson and wonder what we're talking about. So that's what we're going to do right now. And I just wanted to bring up something, two things. Today is my birthday. This pencil was my grandfather's, my father's father's, and you can imagine how old it was, or you see it. Look at it compared to a regular pencil. And you could see where he hand carved it, and he had this little thing on the end. I don't know if that actually came on the end or he added it, because he told me he wore it with a string around his neck. So I think that's pretty cool. And my mom's birthday is March 1st. She's no longer here. There's my dad. My dad's is Friday, his birthday. So I always loved this beautiful glass mushroom that she had at our house. So you could see how cool it is. So anyway, I thought I'd have these on the table for you to look at and inspire you to go forward with our lesson. So what we're going to just do is I need you to practice just doing lines. All you're going to do is on the diagonal go like this. And some of the lines you want to do thicker, and some of them thinner, and then actually bring them some of them closer to each other, because that's what's going to happen in the drawing. Some lines will get really close, and some lines will get varied in the, you know, the how far away they are from each other. So you're just going to continue to fill all of these boxes. And look at, see, so I started here, and then look at how close I get. But that's what's going to happen when you go to do a drawing and you're going to do cross hatching. You're going to take that line going in that direction, left diagonal, mixing it with a horizontal. So you're just going to practice these, and eventually you'll be having them become the pattern of cross hatching. So this lesson is just strictly having you do this and filling in every single box. It's a quick lesson, just wanted to get you to go. And like vertical, that you would take number 3 and just go like this, just fill them in. Okay, go like that. So, and what I'm also going to introduce to you, this is a pencil, and look how sharp my pencil is. I take it and I sharpen it, really get a regular pencil sharpener, because you'll destroy your pencil if you go with a electric one. You just want to go and do it manually, but it keeps your lines nice and neat. The other thing is you can go with a Micron pen or this Pentel pen, and they give you nice lines too. So if I want to go like this, and so you can practice those and just keep doing that. It'll give you a nice different look as well, and just, it's nice. They're a little wiggly. Now I did this on my computer so I could print the whole thing and have it really nice. So that's done on my iPad. Same thing, you know, it's just a different technique and a different medium. So you can see that you're just practicing that and what the difference in the look is. See the pencil to the Micron pen. And then you could also take a regular black pen. So let's do the horizontal, which would be number 2. Just take a regular black, blue, whatever color pen. The reason why I want you to start just using whatever you have around your house is so you start creating. Just see how the difference is going to be that the black pen sometimes will skip, but that's what gives you kind of like of a interesting look, is even with the little skips, it's okay. I've done full drawings with a black pen like in my 20s. I'll show you, I'll include these in this video to show you some of the line work I did with black pen and Prismacolor, which is an oil-based pencil. So you're just going to take the whole sheet and keep going on all of them. Let's do number 4, just so we know what we're talking about. And I'll move number 4 over to using the Pentel pen. Okay, so we'll just take this And this, we're just going to go this way. So this direction would go like this. This is a little bit different. It's a little bit thicker of a pen. Gives you a little bit different look. And what you can do is mix them up, which is a different lesson when you're mixing pencil, and it's a mixed media when you're doing various things. But you're going to be using mixed media along the way in our lessons. I need you to know all of this. I need you to practice this, because when we go forward with the drawing and the painting combination, the drawing separately, I need you to know these techniques. So it tells you everything on your directions. You can see what we did and enjoy. Hi, so this is the technique I was mentioning to you. It's just pen work. I was in my 20s when I did this, pretty young. I just took a big pen and did line work on everything. Look at the texture on her clothing, on her face. It had this thing where I only wanted to finish part of the drawing, so I left out like the left part of her eye, the left part of her nose. It's just a different way of looking at it. You can see even just the simple, tiny line work around the buttons. Well, that's that. You got the lesson in. I showed you my drawings. You got to see my mom's beautiful mushroom. Look at that. Look at the light source on that. It just makes me happy when I look at it. And I think about her. She was an artist as well. She spent a lot of time creating with my family and I. My dad was very creative as well. So just thought I'd share the pencil and my mom's mushroom with you. So guys, I'll see you Tuesday for the lesson. I will pass by in between with some small, short lessons. They're called shorts. They're about a minute long, and we'll catch up on some more techniques. So like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See ya